What is going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Adrenaline Motorsports and RCs. So I'm out here today and I have with me, as you can see here, the Axial and the RGT. So I'm basically in the same spot that I was at last time. As you guys can tell, there's the big ass rock that I was trying to go up with the RGT. Unfortunately, it didn't make it. So what we're going to do today is, got off of work, I figured bring my toys with me and see what these things can do. So let's go on ahead, try these things out and see how well the Axial will do, and which we all know the Axial is going to do good, and we'll see how the RGT does. So let's go on ahead and get these things going. All right, so where I have them set up now, I'm going to try the Axial, try it out and see how it does on this little scale on this little bit here. So let's try out the Axial, guys. The Axial is definitely more controlled than the RGT is. Oh, all right. All right, let's go see how it does up here. So last time with the RGT, I was able to get to this height and it flipped right over. So let's see how high the Axial will be able to go. Oh, the Axial's doing a lot better. And there she is. All right. Alright, so last time I tried going up this little bit right here with the RGT. Let's see what the Axial can do. And guys, that's a straight incline. Look at that. Alright, that's not going to happen. Alright, so she flipped over. she was doing good. It was doing so good. I let off. I shouldn't have let off. Let's try this again. Let me move this rock out of the way. All right, here we go again. I guess it might not make it. Let's try a little bit over here now. Because last time the RGT wouldn't make it up here. Let's see if the Axial can do it. Look at that articulation, guys. That is just awesome. That just looks great. She did it. Going pretty good in the leaves too. Show you that again. Last time here with the RGT, I got stuck. So let's see if the Axial can make it. Oh! Alright, so now we're going to try to climb up this way. See how good it does. See how that looks. See how far up we can go. So far, the Axial, it's showing that it's a proven little truck. Gotta pick my line right. That's not gonna make it up there. I'm asking too much. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Ah. One more time. Now we're gonna do the hill climb like we did last time with the RGT. But we're gonna do them together. I don't know how I'm gonna film and do this, but actually might not, because I won't be able to film it. Alright, so here's the hill climb, and it just goes straight up. So let's see how this bad boy does. Come on, you can do it. At the top. Like I said, guys, straight downhill. One wrong move, and all the way down she goes. There we have it. So the I brought them both out, as you guys can see here, but I think I'm only going to run the SCX24. This thing went up that rock. I mean, guys, you can see the incline on that rock right there, and it just goes from there straight up, literally straight up. The Axial climbed it great. I think that if I were to change the tires on the RGT and put the tires from the Axial on there, that it might climb that too. Also, it has the weight on the front for the, because of the motor and the servo, it's all in the front. So, I mean, it does have a little bit of weight on there. It's also heavier in the back for the fact that it has that backing here, because it has all this, and the tire might be also giving it some weight in the back that's not helping it climb up and just flip right over. So I think that if I were to change the tires from the Axial onto the RGT, that would end up helping for the RGT to climb. Guys, this thing can climb. The SCX24 can definitely go up some inclines. I mean, Axial, they do a great job with their RCs, and you know, you cannot go wrong with them. You know, for $120, $119, you can pick up the Axial SCX24, or I'll put a link in the description where I got the Axial from and where I got the RGT from. You guys make your choice, pick up whichever one you want. In this instance, you know, both of them is going to give you the fun that you want. So guys, pick up whichever one you want. Price wise, this RGT is definitely not a bad thing. I'm looking at this rock and I'm looking at this and I'm like, you know what, let me tackle that rock again with this RGT. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and try with the RGT again to see how it does up this hill, because the SCX24 just totally made it its bitch, really. So let's do this. The SCX24 definitely has better throttle control than the RGT. Now, the other thing, it gets caught up in the bumper, because the bumper's sticking out so far that I might have to change that. There we go. That's it. That's its limit. That's its limit right there. So now if we bring it back over here where I had last time, where I went up last time, and I just went up this incline here with the SCX24. Let's see how this thing does. I didn't think I got up too far last time. I might have to add some weights onto the bumper or something to keep the nose down, because as soon as it goes, it just wants to flip. Again, the rear bumper is definitely keeping it from climbing. Yeah, it just wants to tip over. So guys, the SCX24 is definitely a better climber. RGT's not bad. I think if the RGT were to have a little more weight to the front of it, then, you know, it'd probably be able to climb this rock. That's still my mission. My mission here is to climb this rock right here with the RGT. That's my mission. Now that the SCX24 did it, I gotta prove I gotta prove that the RGT will be able to climb this rock. So guys, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to get some more videos from me. I mean, I'm able to do this after work, especially a day like today. It's gorgeous out. We're in the middle of December. In 2 weeks is Christmas. So again, go online, order either the RGT, the SCX24. In the description, I will put down where I got the RGT and where I got the SCX24. So guys, have fun, go out and RC, and I'm gonna be out here enjoying the beautiful weather as it is right now in December. You guys have a good night. See you later.